Tired of waiting days for your hard-earned cash to arrive? Want a faster, more convenient way to receive money? Then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to effortlessly receive money from Beam Wallet. Buckle up, because this is about to get exciting. In today's digital age, receiving money shouldn't be a hassle. Beam Wallet is a revolutionary platform designed to simplify and speed up your financial transactions. Whether you're a freelancer, running a small business, or simply need a convenient way to receive payments, Beam Wallet has you covered. Key features of Beam Wallet. Instant transfers. Forget about waiting days for funds to clear. With Beam Wallet, you can receive money instantly, allowing you to access your funds whenever you need them. Low fees. Say goodbye to exorbitant transaction fees. Beam Wallet offers competitive and transparent pricing, ensuring you keep more of your hard-earned cash. Multiple receiving options. Receive money through various channels, including bank transfers, mobile money, and even cryptocurrency. Choose the method that best suits your needs. Enhanced security. Your financial security is our top priority. Beam Wallet employs robust security measures to protect your funds and personal information. User-friendly interface. Navigating Beam Wallet is a breeze. The intuitive interface is designed for users of all levels, making it easy to receive and manage your funds. Step-by-step guide. Create a Beam Wallet account. If you haven't already, start by creating a free Beam Wallet account. The registration process is quick and easy, requiring only a few basic details. Share your receive money details. Once you've created your account, you can easily share your unique receive money details with others. This could include your Beam Wallet address, bank account information, or mobile money number. Receive funds. Simply share your receive money details with the sender. They can then easily transfer funds to your Beam Wallet account using their preferred method. Access and manage your funds. Log into your Beam Wallet account to view your transaction history, withdraw funds to your bank account, or transfer money to other users. Tips for a smooth experience. Verify your account. Verify your account to unlock higher transaction limits and enhance your account security. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security to your account by enabling two-factor authentication. Contact support. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is always ready to assist you. Benefits of using Beam Wallet. Increased efficiency. Receive money quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time and effort. Improved cash flow. Access your funds instantly, improving your cash flow and enabling you to make timely payments. Enhanced convenience. Receive money from anywhere, anytime, using your preferred device. Reduced costs. Minimize transaction fees and maximize your earnings. Greater control. Manage your finances with ease and transparency. Receiving money shouldn't be a complicated process. With Beam Wallet, you can effortlessly receive funds from anywhere, anytime. Experience the convenience and efficiency of Beam Wallet today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.